doing now?
I'm building out my custom fuel system.
Fuel system?
At least I was building my custom fuel system.
Man, if you're building out a fuel system, what you really need are some AN lines and fittings from ZZPerformance. Special delivery! What's up, guys? Tyler V at ZZP here today. I'm going to tell you all about our new collection of ZZP AN lines and fittings. Constructed from aluminum and featuring a black anodized finish, our new AN hardware will take your build to a whole new level. Rated for all types of fuel, including E85, these are the same fittings we use in our flex fuel kits, fuel filter kits, and our Delta Chassis AN fuel line kit. Available in a wide variety of connections and angles, this new collection will upgrade your fueling options and look great doing so. To make the job even easier, we also offer AN alloy wrenches as well as billet vice jaws. So head on over to ZZPerformance.com and start building out your custom fuel system today.